Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix H&M app not working. Now the first step is to check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or has a stable mobile data connection. Try opening a website or another app to verify connectivity. If internet is weak, switch networks or move to a stronger signal area. Now you can also force close and reopen the H&M app. Go to settings in your phone, go to apps and go to H&M. Tap force stop to shut down the app completely. Then reopen the app from your home screen or your app drawer. Step 3 is to clear cache and data. Back in your phone, go ahead and select settings. From your phone settings, select apps. From apps, select H&M. Then select storage and cache. Select Clear Cache first to remove temporary files. If the problem persists, tap Clear Storage or Data. Now note that this particular clearing of storage or data will log you out and you may lose some saved preferences. Now, step 4 is to update the H&M app. Open Google Play Store, search for H&M. If there's an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve stability. Step 5 is to restart your Android device. Now press and hold the power button of your Android device. Tap restart or reboot, depending on the wording of your phone. Now once your phone powers back on, try opening the H&M app again. Step 6 is to reinstall the H&M app. Long press the H&M app icon and select uninstall. Now go to Google Play Store or your App Store, search for H&M and tap install to get a fresh copy. Open the app and log in. Now this almost always works. Likewise, you can check for Android system updates. Go to your settings on your phone, go to system updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Restart your phone after updating. If none of the above steps work, you can reach out to H&M's customer support through the app or their website. Explain your issue clearly for personalized assistance. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.